Alright guys, I have yet another video for you today. I was looking through my knives and I noticed that my Enduro wasn't as sharp as it usually is, so thought I'd sharpen it a little bit for you. Let me just take the stuff out here. And these stones have been cleaned a little while ago. I cleaned them. Got a piece of paper here. I'll show you a little cut with this first. But what I did notice was up here in the blade was sharp. Down here, not so much. I'll show you right now. Show you with the mid part of the blade. And the tip, you can see that it's very sharp. Now if I move down on the knife, it's a little rough, as you can see. It didn't fully. Yeah, it's a little rough there. So I'm not going to do much. I'm probably going to do 10 passes on the corners, 10 on the flat, and then 5 on each the fine stones. Alright, maybe I'm going to do a few more. Alright, that's feeling a little bit better. Switch over to the flats here. Yeah, you can definitely feel the difference. It feels a lot better. Alright, let me get the paper again. That's good, I just poked myself with the corner of the blade. Yeah, that was real smart. Alright. There you go, as you can see. It's very sharp again, down at the bottom. Middle's still sharp, tip's still sharp, but just need to touch up that bottom a little bit. And it's much better now. So there you go. It's another video for you.